Hello there everyone, today we're going to take a look at the new Pegboard Panels Die Set. This is a fun and versatile way to add a modern texture and a little bit of interactive detail to your projects. With clean rectangular and square designs and evenly spaced pierce holes, these panels are perfect for backgrounds, focal layers, or creative stitched accents. Let's walk through how easy these are to use. Firstly, you're going to want to die cut your panel. Choose the cardstock you'd like to use. Place the Pegboard Panels die on top of your cardstock and then run it through your die cutting machine. This will cut the panel shape and add evenly spaced holes throughout the design. 2. Add stitching for pattern and texture. Thread a needle with embroidery floss. Then use the pre-cut holes to stitch patterns directly into the panel. Try simple straight lines, geometric shapes, borders, or even decorative designs. We have some stitching guides available on the website that you can use to give you some ideas to get you started. But don't stop there, use your own creativity to design your own unique patterns and colour combinations. Finish off your project. Use your stitched pegboard panel as a card front, layered background, tag, or even focal element. Combine with sentiments, die cuts, or embellishments to finish the look. And that's it! The Pegboard Panels dies make it easy to add dimension, texture, and a handmade stitched look to any project. Whether you follow the included patterns or create your own designs, the possibilities are endless. Thanks so much for watching and happy crafting! Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting!